Hi, I'm David Lloyd. I'm head of plant breeding for Germinal, based at IBERS, Aberystwyth University. We're a seed company that specialises in forage crops, and around about a third of the agricultural grass seed that's sold within the UK and Ireland is produced by us. What we're looking at here is an advanced trial of new grass varieties that are potentially going to be entered into national variety list trials. And these are necessary for us to be able to produce varieties that can be commercially marketed. One of the things that we're most proud of at Germinal is our Aber high sugar ryegrasses, developed over the last 40 years in partnership between IBERS and Germinal. High sugar grasses are exactly what they say they are. They're grasses that have elevated levels of water-soluble carbohydrate in their leaves. With conventional grass varieties, only around about 23% of the nitrogen that's taken in as grass protein is utilised by the animal. And this is because the rumen microflora are energy limited in the amount of microbial protein that they can produce. And it's this microbial protein that actually feeds the animal. With high sugar grasses, we can raise the amount of nitrogen that's actually utilised by the animal to around about 35%. This reduces the amount of nitrogen that's lost in urine by about 40% and in feces by about 25%. It also increases the amount of nitrogen that's used in actual productivity. So we can increase the amount of milk yield by about 20% and sort of similar levels in terms of animal live weight gain in beef cattle and in lambs. This has implications in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, improves the environmental status of grass and agriculture, both in terms of nitrogenous greenhouse gas emissions, so reducing the amount of nitrous oxide that's produced per unit of productivity, but also by reducing the amount of methane that's produced per unit of productivity. So for a litre of milk, you're getting less methane being emitted.